Easy homemade coffee jelly recipe, perfect for coffee lovers. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing treat in store for you. We're going to show you how to make a delicious and refreshing coffee jelly. It's the perfect dessert for coffee lovers. So, grab your ingredients and let's get started. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons instant coffee powder, 1½ cups boiling water, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons unflavored gelatin powder, 1½ cups cold water, 1 cup heavy cream or whipped cream, for serving. Instructions: dissolve the instant coffee powder in the boiling water, stirring until completely dissolved. In a separate bowl, mix the gelatin powder with the cold water and let it sit for a few minutes to bloom. Add the sugar to the coffee mixture and stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Microwave the gelatin mixture for about 30 seconds or until it becomes liquid. Alternatively, you can heat it gently in a saucepan on the stovetop. Pour the gelatin mixture into the coffee mixture and stir well to combine. Grease a square or rectangular pan with a little oil or cooking spray. Pour the coffee and gelatin mixture into the prepared pan and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or until set. Once the coffee jelly has set, cut it into cubes or desired shapes. Serve the coffee jelly with a dollop of heavy cream or whipped cream on top. And there you have it, our mouthwatering coffee jelly recipe. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you give this recipe a try. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes like this. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any requests or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.